Now I felt I should share something here with indicating that an older fellow once taught me. Keep in mind, I've probably taken 15 years off machine, and then I bought my own lathe here for my shop. But what I was taught was always go to the opposite ends. Focus on 2 chucks on a 4-jaw chuck. Get them as close as you can, and then move to the other 2. The reason you do that is so you don't lose your place. I mean, if you're going every one of them when you first start, you're probably looking at your dial indicator going, geez, I'm getting farther and farther off. What's going on here? Well, that's a good way to start out until you start getting it in your head so you can do it quickly and easily. Also, when I unchaw a 4-jaw chuck, if I'm doing multiple of the same pieces, like I am doing currently with these injectors, is I try to evenly unloosen them. See, I mean, I just set that in there, and it's already pretty close. See, and that one dove down, so we know we gotta tighten this one. Tighten one on the bottom, and loosen this up here when we go to opposing ends. Since I just only finger snugged this, we're just gonna tighten this top though for now. And you know, try to set your jaw where you can remember where to do things. Where this dial indicator is, obviously my bottom jaw is what's indicating. So I adjust that jaw accordingly, because that's where you can get screwed up too, is you can be adjusting the jaw that you didn't have the indicator pointed at. So the thing is, the indicator is pointing at the jaw that you're trying to work to get it even. Alright, I think I'll call that good. That could be just a flaw in the thing. Alright, we're about to take our first pass. Thought I'd get a different angle of footage here for everybody. But see how it's gouged in there, where the press marks are. And that's why I'm facing it, is to try to take out that imperfection. I actually measured it, and it kind of transferred through the face that piece on this injector. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get close, touch off, just enough to see it skim, and then I'll go in about a thousandth, and we'll go from there. Excuse me, about 100th. Just brushed it off so I can take a look and see if it actually missed anything, but looks like it got everything, so that's nice and trued up now. I'm not going to really worry about this because the way this injector sits, it's this face that does the sealing, so that's all I got to worry about, is making sure that face is nice and trued up.